Why do 80% of urban professionals feel the pinch of the US economy? It's a question that looms large over many of us. Let's dive into how you can adjust and thrive in this challenging environment. The US economy is like a wild urban jungle, full of twists, turns, and surprises at every corner. How do you navigate it without losing your mind or your wallet? It's a daunting task, but not impossible. First up, budget like a boss. This is your financial foundation. Track every dollar because those lattes add up. Small expenses can snowball into big problems. Next, invest in yourself. This is crucial. Skills are the new currency. Take that online course, learn that new software. Keep evolving. Got debt? Don't worry, there's a way out. Tackle it with the snowball method. It's a proven strategy. Pay off the smallest debt first and watch your confidence grow. Each small victory counts. And don't forget the gig economy. It's a game changer. Side hustles can be lifesavers, whether it's freelance work or selling your art online. Diversify your income. Lastly, stay informed. This cannot be overstated. Knowledge is power. Follow market trends, read financial news, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Remember, it's a jungle out there, but with the right moves, you can swing through it like a pro. Stay agile. Keep hustling, stay savvy, and win this urban game. Your success is within reach.